Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I'm your Prajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new updates on the Hyundai Creta midsize SUV, starting from the entry-level E variant, going all the way up to the SX optional top-spec variant. The Hyundai Creta is easily the best-selling SUV in the Indian market and is available in 5 variants, namely the E, EX, S, SX and SX optional. Both Hyundai and Kia are well known for their updates in terms of features on all their products. The new second generation Hyundai Creta has been on sale for the past 1 year, and now Hyundai India has decided to update the features list on the Hyundai Creta variants while also optimizing the prices. First, let's start with the entry-level E variant of the Creta, which used to get almost all the essential features except for an infotainment system. However, with this update, the entry-level E variant of the Hyundai Creta loses some of its features, including electronically adjustable ORVMs, luggage boot lamp, and the passenger seat back pockets. Apart from this, the turn indicators which were positioned on the ORVMs have been repositioned onto the front fenders. So as a result of these updates, this entry-level E variant will definitely look more basic than before. Unlike the entry-level E variant, the EX and S variants get some significant feature additions regarding connectivity and infotainment. Both the EX and S variants are available with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity, along with some visible changes on the user interface. However, the SX and SX optional are the variants which get most updates and feature additions compared to other variants. The SX and SX optional variants come as standard with over-the-air updates for the maps embedded in the touchscreen infotainment system, which itself is a large 10.25-inch touchscreen, along with a welcome greeting function, which will be activated on unlocking and opening the doors, and convenient voice commands for opening, closing the driver's side power window, retrieving contact details, and points of interest search. The SX and SX optional variants also get remote engine start function with the smart key, which will be available with both manual and automatic transmission options. And yes, as a part of these updates, the SX and SX optional variants will also get a soft paint finish on the dashboard for an additional premium feel. Apart from these cosmetical and feature updates, there will be no changes in terms of the mechanical part. So the Hyundai Creta will be available with 3 engine options, namely the 1.5-litre naturally aspirated 4-cylinder petrol engine, producing 115 PS of maximum power and 144 Nm of maximum torque. The 1.4-litre turbocharged gasoline direct injection petrol engine produces 140 PS of maximum power and 242 Nm of maximum torque. Then there is the 1.5-litre 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine producing 115 PS of maximum power and 250 Nm of maximum torque. A 6-speed manual transmission is available as standard with the 1.5-litre petrol and the 1.5-litre diesel engine powertrains. However, the 1.5-litre petrol engine is available with an IVT automatic transmission only on the SX and SX optional top-spec variants. And similarly, the 1.5-litre diesel engine is also available with a 6-speed automatic transmission with the SX and SX optional variants only. The 1.4-litre turbo petrol, on the other hand, is available only with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. Currently, the Hyundai Creta range starts from Rs 9.99 lakh ex-showroom for the entry-level E variant, going all the way up to Rs 17.67 lakh ex-showroom for the top-spec DCT automatic variant. Along with these feature updates, the Hyundai Creta is likely to become more expensive on all variants except for the entry-level E variant. So stay tuned for our detailed reviews on these updated Hyundai Creta variants and the updated pricing of these specific variants. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about these feature updates and the price increase of the Hyundai Creta. Meanwhile, this is Prajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.